Hello, this is Prashant here. I'm going to walk you through the process of having a JSON form, in this case a form on WordPress using Gravity Forms, to having a PDF file delivered to you. Essentially, you are creating an engine for yourself with which you can have any number of forms and a PDF based on those, designed to perfection, pixel perfection by your choice. There are multiple moving parts to this. You need to do a couple of things only once. Since this is the first time I will go into details, the first thing that we want to do is ensure that URL logger and the webhook via the JSON is talking to each other. Once that is ensured, we will pick up the process on the report creation. If you see me working with any script, do not worry, it would be copy pasted and provided to you. We will also be giving you a few sample package files which you can then use to ensure that the entire process is understood by you. Okay, so let's start with number one. Let's get URL logger set up. Okay, so to do this, you will open URL logger. You will click on add URL. Okay, and you will click on the URL that you want. So in this scenario here, we want to use recruitment confirmation letter. Okay, you will click enabled over here and you will create this button. I have already done so let me just show it to you. Okay, recruitment confirmation letter. Okay, the next thing that you will do is, after it is enabled, is you will come to data processing. It would be configured at do nothing. You come on run script, you click on script code, and we will give you this code which you will run over here. You will copy paste this, okay, and you shall paste it here, okay, here. Now before you run this script, you come to ETL tools, you will come to packages and you will create a new package. Click on new, click on verification if URL logger is talking. Okay, now you will click on open file over here and you will import the package to check workflow file. Once you have done so, you will click on this small save button. This item is now saved to the repository. You will click on the properties of this package and you will come across a number over here, 7405 in our case. Okay, we will go back to URL logger and here update the ID to 7405. Okay, again from the properties 7405 and we paste it in here. Okay, now let me try and walk you through what this tool is doing. You can completely ignore this. We are running a small JavaScript which says, hey, as soon as a webhook is received, run me this particular program, which is ETL tools in command line. Ensure that you start this specific package, you pass on these two items. Okay, this is the unique identifier and this is the file name of the report that we want to generate. Okay, we'll click on save. Okay, and you will see an item being generated for you over here. Okay, now we go back to our letter. So open up your form. Okay, everything is pre-filled over here. Okay, you will click on submit button and if things are working, okay, if things are working, immediately you will see something like this triggered. Okay, this has the unique identifier and this has the file number, file name of what we want. Okay, so this is part one, where we ensure that webhook is talking to the system, items are being triggered. Another small trick that you can do is open up your SQL database. Okay, let me just try and open. Yeah, okay. So this is my event log table. Okay, this is the webhook which we had just passed. Okay, you can take this specific ID. Okay, and again we will give you this command that you can run. Okay, oh, my bad. So we want the package ID is 7405, the ID of the item, and let's say my awesome PDF. Okay, and run this. and here as well you will trigger the command line which we just saw what URL logger is going to automate for us. Okay, so this is part 1. Thank you very much.